Hey besties! I am so excited to show you guys Madame Glam's October collection. So this month's brand ambassador is the beautiful Miss Mama Does Nails. So the collection is called Gel Potion, and oh my goodness, did she put a spell on me with this! I am loving this collection. Look at how pretty. I don't know how they do it. Every month, blown away. So the first color in the collection is Midnight Hour. It is this absolutely beautiful deep red, stunning. Then we have Scarlet Red, which is the diamond formula. Super pretty, both glossy and matte. Then we have Pumpkin Palace, definitely giving Halloween vibes. You can see I did get a little bit of wrinkling. This is very opaque. Then we have Wicked Whisper, which is another diamond formula. Super pretty. I really, really like this one. And surprisingly, I don't have any orange glitter formula like this. Then we have Enchanted Green. This one is so pretty. Look at that, even matte. Then we have Moonlit Mystique. This one has to be my favorite color in the collection. I absolutely love this color. Both glossy and matte are just stunning, but what glossy,
Lord have mercy, I'm about to bust.
Then we have Twilight Tint, beautiful purple. This is like my second favorite color. Y'all know I love a good purple, and both glossy and matte are giving for sure. Beautiful. And then the final color in the collection is Ghostly Glamour, and it is a very pretty light gray. Perfect for Halloween and fall time. So yeah, definitely the Moonlit Mystique and the Twilight Tint, absolutely beautiful. But that Moonlit Mystique is stunning. Look at it glossy. Look at that shift. Whew! And then matte. Oh my goodness, these are so freaking pretty. I could just look at them all day, seriously. And then that Ghostly Glamour, I really enjoyed that one, the light gray. I think these three paired together would make a beautiful set. So I am going to do some random kind of like spooky inspired nail designs, some quick little nail designs really quick, and just kind of chat with you guys. Do a little catch up. I feel like I have definitely been lacking in my presence on my social media accounts, especially my YouTube, and it's been my baby. And I love you guys, and I miss you guys, and so yeah, just kind of want to chat and check in and kind of let you guys know what's been going on and where I've been. So, as some of you may know, my youngest boy, Riker, has been homeschooled for the last 2 years. So this year we decided I really wanted him to have more like social engagement with kids. I think it's really important. So we decided to put him back in public school this year. So that has been quite an adjustment. Not that he was like on a bad schedule before, but he just didn't really have to be on a super tight schedule. So getting him back on a schedule and all that, fun jazz, that has been fun. But, and for this first nail, we are doing some patchwork. So I'm going to use the purple, green, and orange diamond formulas from this collection. And then that Ghostly Glamour, again, for the background. But yeah, he was super excited. He had a lot of anxieties from his first couple years in school. His kindergarten teacher shouldn't be a teacher anymore. Bottom line, that's just what it is. And I know this because I am not the only person to say this. She has no patience for children. And I'm sorry, but when you are a kindergarten teacher, you are like, you're paving the pathway for how these kids are going to feel coming to school. You know what I mean? And Riker was just miserable. He was crying every day before school, every day when he would get home. He hated going. He hated it. And he was excited at first. Like, he was super excited to go to school. So to watch that all happen, it broke my heart. I had spoke with the principal. He said that if it continued, that, we could switch classrooms and stuff. But that would be an adjustment for him too. So we tried to just stick it out. And, I tried to have talks with Riker and just tell him to not let her bother him. And then we made it through his kindergarten year. And then in first grade, COVID happened. So the poor little guy, he really just did not have a good start into schooling. And so at that point, we all felt like him being homeschooled was more beneficial to him. I will say, because I am not an educator, that yes, he is a little behind. He had a really, 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 really bad attitude at first about wanting to sit down and learn and absorbing anything. He just had the I can't, I don't want to attitude. So that was definitely an adjustment. But over time, I just tried to build him up and, help him have more self-confidence and stuff, and reassure him that he's smart, and even if he's not getting it, he will, the more he practice and stuff. So yeah, I am definitely excited that he is back in public school. He is loving it so far. He has an absolutely amazing teacher this year. So I am super grateful for that. That has definitely been an adjustment. And then I was just having a lot of burnout. I know I'd posted about it on my community tab at one point, that my channel, people weren't getting notifications, like my videos weren't getting views. And that's frustrating because a lot goes into making each video. I know some people think it's probably just a matter of, recording and posting, and it's really not that simple. So I was feeling a lot of burnout. I was getting depressed and stuff, and I just had to take some time to talk with my husband and stuff, and he just, kept reassuring me. He only wants me to do it if I'm enjoying it. He doesn't want me doing it if it feels like a job to me, So I definitely had to take a little break and just kind of reset and stuff, but I'm feeling a lot better. I have reassessed what brands that I want to work with, and how much PR I'm gonna accept. I want to be making videos for myself and for you guys. I don't want to be limited to what PR I am showing in the video, or having to worry about representing that brand, or really anything of the sort, especially if I'm having like a frustrated day and I just want to get on and vent to my besties and tell you guys how I'm feeling. I don't want to have to worry about, if I'm representing a brand for that video. So I am definitely excited. I really want to start going live more. I did a little test live, like I just kept it unlisted the other day just to see how the connection would be. Because we live on an island and I'm like surrounded by trees. So it will say I have 5G, but it does not run like I have 5G. It runs like I am in a fishbowl. So that is a little frustrating. So I'm trying to figure out the best route, whether or not we have like a little hotspot box that we can take with us. And I tried connecting to that, and that seemed to have a little bit better of a connection. So I'm just going to move it a little closer to me and hopefully start going live with you guys. I will go live on YouTube, but I think I really kind of want to go live more on TikTok because I don't have to worry about like copyrighted music. You know, I could turn on some music and yeah, just enjoy doing some nails with my besties. And there are a couple other things I do want to talk about that do need to be talked about that aren't talked about. Unfortunately, today's video is not the video for that, but it does need to be discussed and brought to everyone's attention, especially smaller content creators. So I will have a video coming in that regard as well. So just keep an eye out for that one. Okay, so for the next nail design, I am going to use that Moonlit Mystique because it just has my heart. I freaking love it. Even though it is a darker color, I really like it. So we are going to do the little ghosties. These are super easy to do. Because this is a diamond formula, it has a lot of glitter, a little bit of a texture to it. I did do 2 coats of base coat. So I do cure the first coat of base coat, but for the second one, I do try to keep it on the thinner side because I am not going to cure it. We are going to use it like a blooming gel. Oh my gosh, I just had a serious brain fart. So we're going to use it like a blooming gel, and I'm going to go in with a dotting tool and perfect white, and we are going to make some little ghosties. These turn out super cute, and they are so freaking easy. Seriously, anybody could do these. They are super cute. Oh no, I didn't. That's right. I didn't take a dotting tool. I used my brush and I just got a bunch on the tip and did kind of a circular motion and then just dragged it down. And you can go in and kind of like readjust it, you know what I mean? If you need to widen it or you want to like redirect what way its like tail end would go, I guess you would call it. You can kind of do that to manipulate it. I would say don't mess with it too much though. And then once you have your little ghosties how you like them, pop that in the nail lamp to cure. These are so freaking cute. And there is a couple different ways that you can do this. You can make it where they look more like the see-through, like the transparent ghost. But after I cured that, I went back in with the Moonlit Mystique and just drew the little eyes and the mouth and then gave that a cure. I love this nail. I think they're so cute. I got a bunch of stickers from Temu too. I need to do my Temu haul. Oh my god. Oh, if I showed you guys the video that I have sitting in my CapCut right now. Oh my goodness. I have been saving up all my hauls and slowly recording all the unboxings. And I'm just going to do a massive Temu haul video. I'm already sitting at like 45 minutes and that's all edited footage. So 40 minutes of edited footage already. And I have probably, I'd guess like at least another 25, 30 minutes of footage to add to it. I might just do the most recent one I got as a separate one though, because it is more like Halloween, spooky season kind of vibes. Let me know in the comments if I should do a separate one for the most recent haul. The most recent 2 hauls. I did get, I don't know if any of you guys have seen them. They're like those, they look like pants, but they turn into overalls and you pull on the sides of the waist, and the string that you pull out you hook over your shoulders, and then you make a little bow by your butt. They are so freaking cute. I kept seeing them all over TikTok and I found them on Temu, so I did get those. I got a super cute crop top to go with it. So yeah, let me know. Okay, so after I did the ghost nail, I took Bring My Latte and did a coat of that. And then I'm going in with Scarlet Red. And we are just doing some blood drips. That's it. Just some blood drips. I also have another very fun collab to tell you guys about. I am so excited about it. I have actually quite a few coming up that are exciting, that aren't just like nail related stuff. So I have a collab with a brand called Firmoo. It is a eyeglass company, and I have ordered eyewear online before from Pear Eyewear. They have like the magnetic toppers, and you can have like sunglass ones. You can change the design and print because there is magnets in the front face of the glasses, and so they have toppers that just magnet right onto it. Well, I figured out how to make silicone molds of them, and I started making my own custom toppers. I have hundreds of them. I am not kidding you guys. You guys would shit if you seen how many toppers I have. It is a little bit ridiculous. I've even made like custom shaped ones, like ones that look like bat wings and stuff. They're super cool. One of my favorite pair look like Hello Kitty ones, and they glow in the dark. But that was from Pear Eyewear. And, they had okay service. I did have to return my first pair because they were defective. So that was a little bit disappointing. But I did pay with my own money. This was before I had started making content. So Firmoo, to get a collaboration with them, that is very exciting. I was a little nervous, as I think anyone buying or ordering prescription eyewear online would be, but they blew me out of the water. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. So I'm super excited. Watch out for that. It will be a short, and then I'm going to have a couple minute video that I'll upload talking a little more about them coming soon. But yeah, so let me know what you guys thought of the little nail designs we did for today's video and what you guys thought of this collection. Congratulations, Mama Does Nails. This collection is epic. And I just love seeing other nail sisters get this amazing opportunity that Madam Glam is offering. I will be sure to leave everything from today's video listed down in the description for you guys, as always, along with my discount code and the pricing and all that good jazz. So make sure you like the video and leave me a comment and subscribe if you are not already. I'm going to get some nails on, and I have a super cute design for that coming. So watch for the short. All right. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!